Which airplane is the best?
15.
Great.
UI, P-R-E-Y. It was one of the most lengthy planes to build, 14 and a half minutes. It did not fly very far,
18 foot.
but it looked super cool.
Assalamu alaikum. Hoping you're enjoying the video. If you are, hit the like button and the subscribe. That way we can create more of them. Back to the video.
Just the huge so far. All right, so now we're gonna make this fold here. Now this is important to note. You're gonna fold to where this line is of this fold. So I'm gonna fold to just above that line, or just right at that line. So to do that, I need to know if the line is right there. You can mark that line before you make the fold if it's easier. You can just mark here with a pencil. Now flip it upside down. This is another slightly complicated fold because there's no like resistance or guide that you're going to be able to feel. Besides, fold to these corners here. You're not going to feel this, but you should just with your eyes you can see where does that corner start. Make a crease on that side. Make a crease on that side, and work your way towards the middle. Now we're going to fold these edges straight to the middle. But don't fold this part in here as well. Just fold to this crease here. So don't press it beyond that. See, I'm not going to press beyond this. And the reason for that is because we will have to pull this wing out like this. If you fold it in, it's much more difficult to do that. Bring it out as much as you can. You'll feel it stop right around here, because otherwise it'll lift that corner up. That's when you know you've gone all the way to the edge. These are very much origami-like folds. When I was a wee young man in the 4th grade, I used to do a lot of origami. I have probably lost a lot of my origami skill in the years that have passed, and definitely have forgotten how to make a bunch of the items I used to make. But it was an interest of mine at that time. And I used to rent out origami books from the library. I love the library, love it. But the moment of truth is always folding it in half to see if you've made your folds accurate And I have not done a perfect job this time, as you will see. See, there is a slight misalignment in that corner, and that is a less than perfect job. But you know, can't always be perfect. But you should try. All right, we'll fold down the middle here. And now we'll fold the swing down exactly to where this line meets this line. The rest of the wing will fold much further as a result. Flip it over, do the same thing with that side. Now flip it back over. Crease the bottom. Fold the wings back. Geez, this one has given me a hard time today. And now we are going to make the flaps probably about 1.75 centimeters, give or take a 1/16 of an inch. I'm trying to include everyone here in my units of measurement. All right, all that's left now is to unfold the flaps. This has not been my most perfect plane that I've built, but still pretty cool. And that is prey.
Hold on, try one.